Max Sound.
Aqui ou você dança, ou o grave te balança.
DJ Nando Miapelo.
Girl, and bring yourself over here. You digging me, I'm digging you, that's what you wanna hear. I see you choosing, little mama, so tell me what the next move is. Go to the house or the hotel, that's what your choices is. You can be on my top 8 if you a dime. You can go to the movies and chill after 9. If you get your work with Shawty, we can't chill after 9. After 9, the little TC got the groupies on sale time. You know who we is, and you know who we be. If you're not a groupie, then you cannot see me, cause I'm a crucial boy. And I'm on dead, man. Everything crucial about me, shouting no flex. Saying where you going, who you trying to see round here. Well, you gotta do some deeds round here. We gon' get them girls and bring them back. Hurry up, cause we want that. Fresh from the feet all the way to the house, and ain't gotta ask how we do it like that.
Super groupie, and she know it cause she choose. And I see her looking at me, and I know that she a groupie. If she wanna kick it with a crucial boy, that's cool then. Hope you got a friend full of run in your Uzi. We can head out to the limousine, it's cool, man. Then we can head to the crib after we do that. Up on my space, find out what the freaks at. Hold on, stop, let me catch the beat.
You know who we is, and you know who we be. If you're not a groupie, then you cannot see me, cause I'm a crucial boy. And I'm on dead, man. Everything crucial about me, shouting no flex. Saying where you going, who you trying to see round here. Well, you gotta do some deeds round here. We gon' get them girls and bring them back. Hurry up, cause we want that. Fresh from the feet all the way to the house, and ain't gotta ask how we do it like that. You know who we is, and you know who we be. If you're not a groupie, then you cannot see me, cause I'm a crucial boy. And I'm on dead, man. Everything crucial about me, shouting no flex. Saying where you going, who you trying to see round here. Well, you gotta do some deeds round here. We gon' get them girls and bring them back. Then re-up, cause we want that. Fresh from the feet all the way to the house, and ain't gotta ask me how we do it like that. Hey.